started.
So we have an empty cup and a cup with saline. I use 2 5 ml syringes of saline. For the new Mickey button, you have to lube the stem of the Mickey button with lubricating jelly, or if you don't have access to lubricating jelly, then something like olive oil will be fine. Anything that you can eat is fine. So to remove the Mickey button, you place the syringe into the port on the side, not the port that we feed through, but the port that says BAL. Just pull up on the syringe to remove the liquid, and it will jump back because it's got some pressure. Pull out the old one, and this one did not have much left in the balloon, which is not good. It slowly seeps out over time. Empty that. We'll fill this syringe with the brand new saline right up to the top, and we'll put some more lubricating jelly on the hole. It is a little uncomfortable for Simon, but it doesn't cause him a lot of pain. And we'll just quickly and kind of gently, I'm not shoving, but it just slides right in. And we do it slowly. It is a little uncomfortable for him, but he's fine. And then we'll inflate the balloon. We want at least 5 mLs in it. I had 6 in this syringe, so I'll stop. I'll let it kind of pull back on its own. There should be fine. And you just want to give it a tiny, tiny tug to be sure that it's in place. It looks like it is. We'll wipe the excess jelly, and then we'll test to make sure it's placed correctly and working. And we do that using just an extension with a syringe with just water in it. And we have to get the air out of this. Oh, the air's already out, so we're fine. It's full of water. We'll connect it to the port just like we would when we're feeding. Just see that it's going in okay. I don't feel any major resistance, so that's good. I'm gonna pull back on the syringe as well to see. It looks like it's working just fine. So I kind of push water in, pull it out a little bit. It looks just fine. So we're all good.
What are you looking for when you pull back?
Just that it moves in and out. Sometimes you'll see gastric juices, which is good because then you know it's in the stomach. It's not going to be anywhere else.
Okay.
I've never had an issue with it not being placed correctly, so
Okay.
that's all.